What's going on? So who do we got? Who do we got? We got
Tuukka.
Tuukka and Nil. So I heard this was a surprise for you. You
Yes,
surprised?
My darling boyfriend surprised me.
Oh, he's such a darling. He's such a
I will
darling.
thank him when we land.
So, any shout outs, friends or family before we go jump out of a perfectly good airplane?
I'm gonna scream.
Any shout outs?
No, I'm
Family?
good. Let's go.
Alright, let's do this.
got anything to say?
Woo!
Up
Big
there?
thumbs up. Yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Alright, we'll see you on the way up. Woo! Alright, here we are. It's about time to go. We're going to start getting hooked up, getting ready. You got any last words?
No, let's go.
Let's go. Any last words? Okay. It is beautiful today. We're floating. Yeah. Perfect, Connor. Stay right there for me, just like that. Let me get you on clip. Okay. Now you can stand right up. Good job, my man. Yeah! Way to rock it out. You did good.
That was awesome.
Woo! So what'd you think about that?
Oh, it was awesome.
Amazing, huh? You did a great job. You both were relaxed and just did it.
You have the best job in the world. Makes our job sucks.
Well, maybe one day you guys will be instructors. You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
Never know.
It's pretty addictive.
I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it. We're down here on the beach, Santa Cruz. Beautiful day. And you guys rocked it out.
Thank you.
Good job. We'll see you next time.
See you next
Skydive
time.
Surf City. Woo!